Lance Tyler here from ActionKPI. This video we're going to focus on workflow and security and how it applies to planning analytics. We're currently looking at a monthly income statement report, which is built off a planning analytics cube. More specifically, we're looking at the P&L for the whole company. As you can see, we can filter on our different divisions within the corporate hierarchy. In this example, we're going to apply the security and workflow to this divisional structure. Now we've just opened up the landing page for the workflow, and you can see the same corporate hierarchy structure. Now when we log on with another user, in this case the VP of Global Operations, you can see the access is limited to the Global Operations division. So let's click on the Global Operations link and open up the workflow planning application. We can now see the same monthly income statement report, but now it's filtered on the Global Operations division. To summarize, by applying workflow and security, you limit access and visibility to your specific hierarchy. In this case, we use divisions, but again, it's customizable to your business and your process. In doing this, you're allowing users to input forecast, planning, and budget data directly into the workflow application, which again is stored in the planning analytics cube, which creates that single source of truth. This not only drives greater collaboration, but enables real-time forecast updates across the whole organization. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to our newsletter and check out the Modern Finance Professional Forum in the link below, as we have lots more videos, events, and content coming your way.